My name is Dr. Anand Jasani. I have passed my graduation from the Gujarat GDCH, Government Dental College, Ahmedabad. Then I went to Delhi for the Academy of Excellence for the oral surgery course. Then I went for the Dr. Cho's Academy where I learned the sinus lip surgery, that is from Korea. That academy runs in the Bangkok. And I also associated with the Academy of Excellence Delhi and the Aesthetic Dentistry of India Academy and ISOI, that is the Indian Society of Oral Implantology. Myself work specially for the dental implants and all the oral surgical works, including wisdom tooth surgery, cyst, episectomy and all these things. And also I have specialized in the full mouth rehab cases. I started my clinic here in 2009 with the 2 dental chairs, 2 doctors and 2 floors. Me and my wife Dr. Rasmi was there in 2009. Now I have a team of the 10 doctors, 15 dental chairs, in-house X-ray machines and in-house CT scan machine. We have in-house all the specialists. We also provide the painless dentistry. If patient is more anxious about the pain, then we can do the treatment under the general anesthesia. We can also use the nitrous oxide sedation system. That is also we provide to and each and every patient who requires that. We have lots of equipments, latest technology in our hospital, in our clinic. Number 1 is in-house CBCT. That saves the patient's time for the half day. Second thing, we have an intraoral scanner that records the accurate impression. We also have in-house lab where we prepare the veneers, crown, bridge, and for the temporary mounting and temporary provisional preparation we have in-house facility. We follow the strict sterilization system. We have a Milag Germany sterilization system. We have full setup of that and we strictly follow the European standards of the sterilization. So our main purpose to treat the patient is also to give them a best smile, give them a best chewing efficiency within a short period of time.
Got questions? We would love to hear from you in the comment section below. Tell us what else you want us to cover. And do not forget to share and like this video.